Aloha guys, Murphy here. Today I'm gonna do a deck profile, well, update profile on the Bermuda Triangle Riviere build, with some Dazzling Diva cards and all that such. So yeah, let's get started. Starting Vanguard is your Bermuda Triangle deck Riviere. Start off your right chain. Grade 3 lineup. Got your 4 Rivieres, which you need for your Persona Blast, your main unit. When all this fails, you got Shining Singer, Iona. Limit Break. When she attacks Vanguard, she gets 5,000, and in Rear Guard, it gets 2,000. So yeah, I went down to 7 grade 3s, so I can concentrate on other stuff. Okay, grade 2 lineup. You got your 4 grade 2 Rivieres, and every time you ride the grade 2 Riviere over the grade 1, you draw a card. If you ride the grade 3 over the grade 2 and you have the grade 1, you draw a card. So yeah. Next, got 4 Top Idol Aquas, 10k beaters. Not much to say. Then got Pro Sister Perla, because it's a Soul Blast and return a card to your hand. So if you fail your ride chain, you can bring back your grade 0 Riviere into your hand, and now you have a 10k shield. And another card, Pretty Celeb Charlotte. Hits a Vanguard, Counter Blast 1, return this card to your hand, and play a card from your hand to Rear Guard, but it can't be named Pretty Celeb Charlotte. So yeah. Grade 1 lineup. Really nice. But of course, your 4 Rivieres for consistency reasons. Next, your 4 Mermaid Idol Sednas.
Aw, oh shit.
It's okay. Your 8k beaters. Next, your 4 Perfect Shields, Ellie's. Of course, the 2 different arts. Next is 2 Pro Sister Pearlies. Works great with Perla, you guys should already know. So the combo is going to be, if you play it on the turn, Perla's on the field. To the end of the turn, if it hits, it's going to be a Soul Charge, return a card to hand, then Soul Charge, then draw a card. So +1. Actually +2 to your hand, which is nice. Alright, so that's the grade 1 lineup. Trigger lineup, really nice. 8 crits, 4 draws, 4 heals. So you got 2 Canaries, PRISM Miracle Canaries, 2 Gunslinger Floridas, 2 Drive Quartlet Shoot Blues, and 2 Kamiko Rians. Different art, just cause can. Next is 4 Fundies. It's your Margot. Put in the soul, gains 3,000. Oh, give a Bermuda Triangle 3,000, and then your 4 flows as your heal triggers. Yep. Wow, that was really quick. I went through that thing. Yeah, not really much of a big update, but the deck has a little bit more power. And such, you know. So less effort to play the deck. Think you could throw in another grade 0 Shizuku, your grade 3 searcher, so you can look for Riviere faster. could do that if you want to. What else could you do? Else? I don't know. It's mainly up to you. But yeah, that's the deck. Comment for suggestions, like if you like the video, subscribe for more things Vanguard by me. So yeah, see you guys later. Aloha, happy card fighting.